Hi Libra, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to read the cards for you for the month of October 2021. We will see what energies are you getting from the universe. We have 8 cards right in front of us, which I've already shuffled for you, and I've got the cards out. We have a set of 2 cards, and which is representing each week of October. So we have 8 cards right in front of us. We are now flipping the cards for you, and we will see what energies are you getting in this month and what is it that is happening with you in this month. um, okay, all right, so let's get ahead. Well, the very first week of October is something which is talking about dissatisfaction in your mind. A little stress and dissatisfaction is actually ruling your mind right now. But I think it will be better to clarify why Five of Pentacles has appeared in your reading in the very first week and what is it trying to tell us. Generally, when it comes along with the World card, either it talks about satisfaction or it is talking about dissatisfaction. The further cards, clarifying cards, will actually clarify it further. Your emotional life is something which will actually be on a hold right now. So you would want to hold on to your emotions about someone or someone you are dealing with, and I think that is actually creating some kind of a stress for you right now, because obviously if you're not releasing your emotions, this is why you're actually in pain right now, or maybe in a stress right now. So first week is all about a little dissatisfaction about a person you're emotionally focused on, and that person is actually making you or pushing you rather away from him or herself on its own. Okay, so their actions are actually pushing you away from that person right now in the very first week of October. Second week of October is something which is about uh, which is about closure of something and starting a new chapter. So something, a new start is coming your way. Generally, when Terra Swords appear in a reading, people get really, really negative about it and say, oh, either we are going to lose someone in life, or maybe we are actually something is ending. But then, yeah, when something ends, something new starts. So this is an ending to a cycle. So whatever you were going through right now, whatever problems you were into right now, whatever emotional turmoils you were into right now, that is getting ended and you're entering a new phase. That phase is a much more mature phase rather than your past Libra. So there's a very, very wise, very, very mature phase you are getting into in the second week of October. And I'm very happy to see the Hermit coming in your reading in the second week, because the first week is talking about a lot of stress, a lot of thinking mode, a lot of dissatisfaction in your life. So if in the second week you're thinking and using all the wisdom you are getting from the universe, I think you'll be able to solve your problems really very well. Now, surprisingly, the way we read the cards for Virgos, the similar kind of a thing which is happening here is third party people are becoming the reason for your worry right now. These people are testing your, getting onto your nerves, and they're testing your patience right now, and that's the reason you are a little upset. Okay, I can relate this third week with your first week as well, that maybe you're trying to solve things very, very, very maturely, very wisely with this person, but then a lot of third parties are actually being the reason for your this imbalance I was talking about in the very first week of your life. Okay, um, a lot of clarification is required in your cards, because a lot of major arcana cards have appeared in your reading, and that needs to that needs to be clarified, certainly. So let's clarify them. Let's see why the Moon card has appeared in your reading. So let's quickly check what is the Moon telling you in the third week of October, Libra, and we will move forward accordingly. Why is the Ten of Swords is here, and why is the Tower has also appeared in your reading? Let's clarify everything so that we have a good detailed description around it. Okay, so we have Ten of Swords. Okay, so you feel cheated, is it? Okay, so you feel that someone has cheated on you, someone's very sharp tongue has hurt you, you're getting hurt by someone's sharp words, or maybe the partner you are actually dealing with is acting a little immature right now, and that is the reason that you feel hurt right now. Okay, um, and this is why you want to be quiet for some time, you want to be a little reserved for some time right now, and this is why you are in this state of mind. um, Communication is the problem here. Sharp communication, immature communication is the reason for your misery in the second week, dear Libra. Third week is actually talking about, you know, a lot of passion, a lot of responsibility from your end. Even if people will try to interfere in your life, they will try to be the reason for your life, and they will try to act like those tricksters in life who show something but their real self is something else. You will still be able to manage such people, because this person, the king of wands, when they appear in a reading and the kind of person they are perfect team managers. They are perfect people's person. They are perfect people who manage different kind of people differently. So no matter how, these people who are making you upset are behaving, you will act like a person who will be able to manage and tackle them really very well, Libra. So first, when I saw these cards, I was a little disappointed as to, why this month is so challenging for you. But then I think these challenges are making you a better person, Libra. So certainly very good cards for you. I would say very nice cards, because these challenges will make you a very very good person, very mature person. And best part is it will actually um, put your enemies or maybe your opposition party into trouble, because they wouldn't have thought about it that you can deal with them like this. Okay, last week of October is something, and this week is very relevant for people who are dealing into third party situations. So uh, if you are actually having an affair, you are into someone else, despite of being married. So these third party relationships are going to get you into trouble, big trouble. Your paradise is in trouble right now, so better to step back and think about what you're doing right now, because this is the cards are suggesting you. Please look back. And this is not the first time you're getting into this situation, Libra, or maybe your partner, if they are the ones who are actually dealing, who are representing this three of swords, the third sword in the card. Uh, this is not the first time they have done this kind of a thing for you, and now right now you're in that mode wherein you're thinking, looking back, that is it worth being this relationship, or the person who is with you right now is thinking about you that ways. So last week is needs to be, it is very very critical from your relationship area perspective. Or if you have just been out of that situation right now, I think it will bring a lot of recovery as well for people, for few people. So it's a uh, make or break kind of a situation you are in right now. Behave nicely, wisely, and maturely in such situations, because see, getting into new relationships is the easiest thing one person can do, but then maintaining one existing relationship for a long term and a long time is something which is more difficult thing. And people generally opt for the earlier option, because it is easier to leave one person and get into the other one and having some good time with that person for some time. But it is always difficult to pick up the later option. So please, that later option is something you have to pick up this time. Invest in your relationship. Do not spoil your happy go lucky life, good life, having kids and then that partner what you have. So please focus accordingly. This month is going to be challenging for you, Libra, but then you will win over this all the challenges. Don't worry. Take care. Take good care of yourself, and please be connected with your family. Family is the most strongest pillar of your life. So don't hurt them. Be around with them. Let them be around you in such situations. Thank you. Take care, and God bless you. Bye bye.